Hello my very good friends, today we are going to be looking at deriving the equation for trajectory and the assumptions that we can take in deriving that equation. So we're going to consider projectile launched with initial velocity u at an angle theta. Now we take the fact that the horizontal distance x and vertical distance y are functions of time. So if we draw the trajectory path, you'll see that u, since u is the velocity and velocity is a vector quantity, it has a direction. So we are giving it direction theta. So at the maximum point, we have already indicated the maximum distance vertically and then the horizontal distance at that particular point. So let's move and see how is this going to be. So let's consider the equations of motion. Basically, that's what we are going to apply. We know that distance is equal to speed times time. So if we consider the horizontal distance, this is in the x, positive x direction, it will be ux times t. Ux means the vector u in the x direction. So ux will be u cos theta. So x therefore will be u cos theta times t. And then we make t the subject of the formula, and then we have t being x out of u cos theta. We call that equation 1. We also recall the second equation of motion from ut plus at squared out of 2. So when we apply projectiles, then it becomes, the a becomes g. So since it is moving upwards, it is opposing gravity, it becomes negative g. So we shall have uyt minus gt squared out of 2, meaning uy is u sine theta, because we resolve that u vertically and it becomes u sine theta. Here we resolved u horizontally and it became u cos theta. So that means if I now introduce that in here, becomes u sine theta t minus gt squared out of 2. And finally, we substitute this t in this equation and we'll find ourselves having this particular equation, which now becomes xt tan theta minus gx squared out of u squared out of 2. Then times sec squared theta. Sec squared theta is 1 plus tan squared theta. So that finally becomes what we call the parabolic equation. So this is the equation of a parabola from the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and this opens downwards. The assumptions